In this episode of Exploring Data Science, we will consider a set of questions that may arise within a business context and consider the technologies that will be appropriate for answering them. These questions are all related, but each is subtly different. It is important to understand these differences in order to decide what technologies we might need to employ. Here's our first example business problem or question. Who are the most profitable customers? Now, if profitable can be defined clearly based on existing data, this is a straightforward database query. A standard query tool could be used to retrieve a set of customer records from a database. The results could be sorted by cumulative transaction amount or some other operational indicator of profitability. Our second question is as follows. Is there really a difference between the profitable customers and the average customer? So this is a question about a conjecture or hypothesis. In this case, there is a difference in value to the company between the profitable customers and the average customer. And statistical hypothesis testing would be used to confirm or disconfirm it. Statistical analysis could also derive a probability or confidence bound that the difference was real. Typically, the result would be like, the value of these profitable customers is significantly different from that of the average customer, with probability of less than 5% that this is due to random chance. Here's our next business question. But who really are these customers? Can I characterize them? We would often like to do more than just list out the profitable customers. We'd like to describe common characteristics of profitable customers. The characteristics of individual customers can be extracted from a database using techniques such as database querying, which also can be used to generate summary statistics. A deeper analysis should involve determining what characteristics differentiate profitable customers from unprofitable ones. This is the realm of data science, using data mining techniques for automated pattern finding. Here's our fourth and final question. Will some particular new customer be profitable? How much revenue should I expect this customer to generate? So these questions could be addressed by data mining techniques that examine historical customer records and produce predictive models of profitability. Such techniques would generate models from historical data that could then be applied to new customers to generate predictions.